How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Rowena de los Reyes. I am 42 years old, a single mother. I have two daughters. The eldest is 17 years old and the youngest is 13 years old, and I am a high school graduate.
Okay, so if ever you work in Hong Kong, who will take good care of your children?
My sister, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have experience working as domestic helper here in the Philippines or abroad?
Both, ma'am.
Okay.
I have experience in abroad, in Saipan.
For how many years?
For 3 years.
For 3 years in Saipan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and
In the Philippines is 4 years.
4 years.
From in Saipan from 1993 to 1996, and here in the Philippines from 2005 to 2009.
Okay, so how many person did you serve in your previous employer's house?
Ma'am, in Saipan, 4.
Okay, how about in the Philippines?
5.
Okay, 5. How many adults and the children?
Here in the Philippines, 2 adults and 3 children.
The age?
My boss is 6.
Your youngest?
The youngest is 20, 23, and 25.
Okay, so how about in Saipan?
9 months and 3 years old.
Okay, so you know how to take good care of the baby since you are a mother.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so are you willing to look for them just in case?
Yes.
Okay, so how to take good care of the baby?
I give them food or baby milk, and then change clothes, change diaper, taking a bath, check the temperature of the baby if they sick, and then massage a little tummy.
Okay, so how about feeding? Do you know also how to feed the baby?
Yes, madam.
Okay, can you show us how to feed the baby?
Okay. First, I will make sure that the bottle is clean and distilled, and then I will put warm water and then milk, and after that I will shake first, and then I put this, and then I have to carry the baby and then give them milk. After that, I put on my arms and then massage the back for giving barking, and then after that I put on the crib or on the bed.
Okay, very good. It seems that you know how to feed the baby. Okay, so how about taking care of the children? Do you know also how to take good care of the children?
Yes, madam.
Okay, can you show us how to? Can you tell us how to take good care of the children?
First, prepare them the food and taking a bath, change clothes, telling the stories bedtime, playing outside, tutoring them, and wash all the clothes and check the temperature of the children if they're sick.
Okay, so in your previous employer's house, what is your main duties?
I do cooking, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, car wash, cleaning the room, and taking good care of the children.
Okay, so do you know also how to cook?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so how about simple Chinese food? Do you know also how to cook?
No, ma'am, but I want to learn.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my children, especially financial needs.
Okay, so how about your day off set by your employer, not even Saturday or Sunday, if it's okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you are lucky to be selected to work in Hong Kong, what can you promise to your prospective employer? Talk to them now.
Dear sir, madam, good day. If I will be the lucky to be selected to work in Hong Kong, I can assure you that I will be hardworking, cheerful, honest, and loyal to you and to your family. I will try my best to do all the housework, and I will take good care of the children and treat them as my own. I promise to my responsibility to assign job. I will follow all the instruction given to me. Thank you, sir, madam. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.